Okay, today, I'll guide you through the process of blocking access to social media platforms. I am going to show you how you can block people using your home network router or mobile hotspot from visiting social medias, also limit them how much MB they should use in their network devices. Accessing your router settings is essential for managing your network effectively. To begin, open a web browser on any device connected to your network. In the browser's address bar, type http://192.168.1.1/ and press enter. This URL is the default gateway for most home routers. By default, username and password is admin, so fill in username and password as admin. Today, we will successfully block 10 famous social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, WhatsApp, YouTube. And we will limit network devices to use 50 kilobytes per second KB for better network usage. After successfully blocking access to the specified social media platforms, you'll have greater control over network usage. By implementing the 50 kilobyte per second restriction for network devices, you'll optimize bandwidth allocation and enhance the overall efficiency of your network. After accessing your router configuration setting, go to Device Settings and copy the IP addresses and its corresponding device name. For my router, I have device number, SSID, host name, IP address and MAC address. Example of devices connected to my router are Infinix HOT12i with IP address 192.168, 1.120 and desktop MLPUOIJ with IP address 192.168.1.187. Go to Firewall and click URL filtering. There you can type in the social media platform homepage URL you want to block and save.
Type and save all social medias you want to block, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, WhatsApp, and YouTube. In addition to configuring network settings, you can enhance control over your network's data usage by utilizing firewall settings, specifically the rate limiting feature. To access this functionality, navigate to the Firewall Settings section of your router's configuration page. If you've forgotten a device's name or IP address, access its settings, find the network or Wi-Fi settings, and locate the device name and IP address listed there. If you have similar router as mine, go to Device Settings, copy the device name and IP addresses. In rate limiting setting, paste the IP address and complete the form there. After user devices will be limited.
Hey there, if you're enjoying the content and want to stay updated with the latest videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when new content is uploaded, and you'll also be supporting the channel, so don't miss out.